List of interior design features required for well-certified project.
Schematic stage.
Accessible design standard. For equitable building environment, follow the standards. Acoustic design. It not only reduces mental arithmetic performance but also reduces concentration and result in oral distractions and interruptions. Dining area layout. Follow the standards of eating spaces, for requirements for less eating. Facility of drinking water, to avoid dry skin, mild dehydration, muscle cramps, trigger headaches. Incorporation of nature in Biophilia plan. Develop a biophilia plan that includes a description of how the building incorporates nature to boost positive feelings, fulfill psychological need in life and speed healing and recovering time. Incorporation of nature interaction. Develop a biophilia plan for human-nature interactions to boost up positive feeling. Fulfill the psychological need in life and speed up healing and recovery time. Quiet space for focus. Provide a designated quiet space for focus, contemplation, relaxation and job satisfaction and group cohesiveness. Fitness area of office. Office spaces are set up to require little movement, making it easy to gain weight and the risk of obesity and diabetes. We should get regular exercise, even if it's a little activity here and there. Many of us already work long hours that make it difficult to get out for a run or jog. The easiest exercises we can do at our desk or in our cubicle are simple stretching and in-place exercises. Room size and roof height proportions. Ceiling height, architectural details can influence occupants' psychological well-being and improve thinking, mood, mitigating stress, more energy, and better health among residents. Accommodating beauty at buildings. Follow the design elements to improve cardiorespiratory systems. Natural light system. The following standards are required to reduce visual discomfort and visual fatigue. Standards for air seal entrances. For entrances of mechanically ventilated buildings. Limits of landscaping area. Direct sunlight avoidance. Standards should be followed to avoid discomfort of direct sunlight, iced rain, headaches, and blurred vision. Self-operating sunsheds. Studies suggest that daylighting has a direct impact on well-being, productivity and overall sense of satisfaction. In an experiment, stores that included skylights over certain departments found that overall sales per square foot were higher in the departments lit by natural light. To avoid excess sunlight and get appropriate sunlight, follow these standards. Standards for pot plants inside buildings. Incorporate wall and potted plants in the design of interior space improves occupant mood. Muscle strengthening endurance. Followings are provided in the interior fitness space free of charge to reduce the chances of cardiovascular disease, diabetes, overweight, obesity, cancer and improve bone health, aerobic fitness and muscle strengthening. Incorporation of pattern in Biophilia plan. Develop a Biophilia plan of how the building incorporates the following to boost positive feeling, fulfill the psychological need for life and speed up healing and recovery time. Separation and ventilation of pollution. VOCs in chemical storage room can cause cancer, asthma, respiratory irritation, allergies, organ and central nervous system damage. Copy rooms can produce ozone, and it can cause asthma and other respiratory diseases. Bathrooms can release spores and toxins, causing asthma and allergies. For rooms that contain printers and copiers, cleaning rooms, chemical storage units, all bathrooms. Shades for windows. At least one of the following should be present to mitigate visual discomfort and visual fatigue. Incorporation wayfinding elements. Wayfinding is an important design issue. Sometimes it can be quite difficult to find our way in such settings. 4 characteristics of the built environment generally accepted to affect wayfinding are visual accessibility, sign system, architectural differentiation, and building plan configuration. Most of the time, our routine activity is an unconscious process, and we tend to ignore the fact that even the simplest decisions we make to reach a destination are determined by our wayfinding ability. This ability affects us physically and psychologically by giving comfort, positive impact on mood, and mitigating stress, as the brain and body react to stimuli emitted from the environment. Incorporate design elements of wayfinding and spatial familiarity. Minimal storage requirements of workstations. Maintain a comfortable, job-satisfied, group cohesive and well-organized environment. Wall windows ratios. For occupant mood and alertness, incorporate natural light in design. Accessible windows. Access to a window for sunlight is critical for visual comfort and potential psychological and neurological gains.